Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Good morning. First, I'd like to say thanks to the team of Human Resource Department of Jakarta Smart City to having me and gives me opportunity as a candidate of customer product knowledge for Jakarta Smart City. My name is Muhammad Wildan Pratama. I'm from Universitas Persada Indonesia YAI Jakarta. And in this opportunity, I will have my presentation about my concept idea, which is called SIKAKA, or it means Sistem Integrasi Kabupaten Klaten. In English, Integrated System of Klaten Regency. It's a concept of implementing products and services from Jakarta Smart City in Klaten Regency of Central Java Province. So what is Jakarta Smart City, and what's the products and services provided by Jakarta Smart City? The main idea of Jakarta Smart City is the use of technology to better serve residents. An integrated application becomes a major factor for implementing a smart city, and Jakarta Smart City has answered it with Jaki Super App. Jaki Super App provides various of services which can help the resident and tourists in the area of DKI Jakarta about information and services delivered by the government of Jakarta, which includes in the apps as Jak Warta, Jak Respon, Jak Pangan, Jak Pantau, Jak Siaga, Jak Wi-Fi, Jejak, and etc. And it becomes more advanced with portal service like CRM or CRM. It means cepat respon masyarakat, pantau banjir, and Peta Jakarta 1. So what's the importance of Klaten becoming a smart city with integrated smart portal city? Reported from jatengprof.go.id, which accessed on 9 March 2021, according to Ahmad Jumaidi, during the 100 Smart City Movement Technical Guidance event at the Klaten DPRD Plenary Assembly Building, Klaten needs innovation in governance and full commitment from the leadership of the bureaucratic agency. The keyword for a smart city is innovation. The concept of Klaten Smart City is how to present change in society in a smart way, but it has to be cut bureaucratic flow as a fast and inexpensive process as part of realizing bureaucratic reform, as he said. There are 6 dimensions of smart city. Firstly, smart branding. Secondly, smart environment. Number 3, smart economy. The 4th one is smart governance. The 5th one is smart living. And the number 6 of the last one is smart society. So why does it should be Klaten Regency and the born of SIKAKA app? Based on Badan Pusat Statistik in 2020, in the report of Kabupaten Klaten dalam angka, access on March 2021, Klaten Regency have population of 1,260,506 people and located in a strategic geographically between big cities like Solo and Yogyakarta with integrated road and transportation. It also promises potential tourist destination as Klaten is famous about Umbul Ponggok or natural swimming pool. Also number of heritage temples like Prambanan Temple and the Great Merapi Mountain, which will deliver attraction to those who love to traveling with nature. And thanks to Jakarta Smart City, the presence of SIKAKA app or Sistem Integrasi Kabupaten Klaten will help the resident and tourists to get the most of Klaten, because it will contain variety of services and features to deliver the most complete information and data about the recent news of Klaten Regency, the guide to the tourist destination, and integrated transportation, and also services provided by the Pemkap Klaten. And these are the goals of CKKF in Klaten Regency. First, it's increasing the potential of tourist destination, which will provide incomes to UMKM in Klaten Regency. Next is going from place to place will much be easier, because thanks to the information of place, route, and integrated transportation, and also disaster and emergency response will be responded as fast as possible from the related division, because CRM always in the application and just in taps to use it to report on disaster and emergency situation. So what's the conclusion from CKK? By utilizing the advance of technology and information, CKKF is expected to provide contributions such as Jakarta Smart City by presenting an integrated application-based service that offers easy access information and features that support the productivity and services of Klaten Regency government, which aims to facilitate the community in administrative services for the Klaten Regency government, increase the potential for tourists and UMKM incomes in Klaten, guided information related to place, road, and transportation integration, as well as emergency response to disaster and incidents that happens in the Klaten Regency government area, where all of those can be accessed simply at hand, wherever and whenever people need information related to their beloved Klaten Regency to be a smart city. That's it, my presentation for today. Thank you for the opportunity, and please be kind to contact me for more information. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Barakallahu fikum.